Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Sambu from Cloud Tech. Today I will show you if you would like to do the automation, like if you want to create a EC2 instance by using Boto3 API, how we can create our own EC2 instance with our own configuration, like how we can specify our which security group I want to use, or if you we can specify it, like if you want to specify it like a private IP, or maybe if you want to deploy your own website by using this automation, how we can do that. So that part I am going to explain today. And for this demo, I am planning to use AWS Lambda, like serverless architecture. Why? Because to run this Python code, basically there are many ways we can run. Either you can run as a standalone application on particular server like EC2 instance, or maybe you can run that Python code by using Dockerized, containerized like ECR, and those part also you can do. Or else we can run this program by using serverless architecture as well as a automation to do this automation. Okay guys, so today our agenda is like we will show you like how we can do the automation by using Lambda, like a serverless architecture. Okay guys, so what I am going to do here is like two thing I am going to do here is one is like we can create a EC2 instance, and then another one is I will show you like if you would like to deploy your own website, like a customized user data, how we can do that, like a kind of static website by using this user data, how we can do this kind of automation also I am going to explain today. Okay guys, so this is our today agenda. So I am already logged in the AWS console. This is my Virginia region, and here I have there. And for this today's demo, I have gone through this document. This is the document for doing the automation for EC2 instance. Okay guys, so run instance, and there could be multiple syntax and multiple option is available. Now, as per your requirement, you can specify which network group, which subnet, which security group, which IP address you want to specify. All these things, which elastic IP we want to specify. That part also we can specify. Which AMI you are going to install, and Hibernate option also we can. There are multiple options we have here. So as per your requirement, you can specify it. So from here, I have taken some of the things. So let me show you that. So I have created this program so that that session will be very fast and hands-on. Otherwise, if I going to write one by one, then it will take some time, right? So I will just quickly show you. So this is my Lambda function I have created here. What I am going to do here is first I have taken one EC2 client which will help us to run that instance, that this method, or create the instance. Okay, and I have specified which region I am going to do. Since I am in the Virginia region, which is US East 1, so I have specified here. These are the point, keep in mind guys. And then once we have the client, then we can run instance. So inside the run instance, that which all parameter I have specified here, right? So from there I have taken some of the parameters. So like a device name, and then EVS volume, like delete permission, and then delete termination is true, means whenever you are terminating your instance, then it will automatically delete this volume as well. And what could be the size, what the volume type, and encrypted if you would like to do encryption, or the network throughput also I have specified here like 3000. Okay, so how we will to get this device name, what the device name, how we can get it, right? So let me show you that quickly, just how we can get it. So let's go to the one EC2 instance. Just I will quickly show you that. And if you go here, if you just try to launch one EC2 instance, right? Then if you come here like in the storage section, right? So let me show you here the storage section, and if you go advanced, right, and just expand this, then you can see here device name, what could be the device name, right? You can get this device name from here. And if you want to specify it in a snapshot, then you can specify this snapshot also. And then volume type, right, there could be multiple volumes. So as per your requirement, you can select. So I have specified here default, which is the default gp3, right? So that I have specified. And then network throughput like IOPS I have specified 3000. And if you want to specify encrypted, then we have to select the KMS key as well. Okay guys, so I have selected that not encrypted as a false, and delete on termination I have selected as a true. So from here we can get those all these details. Okay guys, so this is what I have specified here. And encrypted false gp3 8, and then delete on termination is a true. Okay guys, and device name also that. So I hope this part is got cleared now. Coming to next attribute, like we need this is one mandatory image ID, which is nothing but AMI ID. How we can get the AMI? Let me show you that. So AMI ID we can say, and also guys keep in mind one thing, like if you are on the free tier side, so always select that free tiers AMI, otherwise it will be the chargeable for you. So when you are selecting, right, just check this it is filter eligible or not. So that point just keep in mind, otherwise you can just select this checkbox and then all the filter only it will display here. From here anything you can take. This is the secure way we can select. Like if you see, right, total 15 item we have here, right, and that AMI ID nothing but this is the ID I have to take here, and then same ID I have pasted here also. Okay, and then instance type, so there which instance type is the free, right? So T2 micro is the free type, so free types is eligible. So if you are working on production or somewhere else, then as per your requirement you have to select this. Since our this is learning purpose, right, so I have selected the free types only, T2 micro, and then minimum how much instance, how many instance you would like to launch. That minimum count you can specify, maximum count also you can specify. Then key name is nothing but by using this key only, whatever key will specified here, right, by using that key only, if you would like to connect this particular EC2 instance, then we can connect. And then monitoring option also I specified false, I don't want to select this. And one more important thing is the security groups, right? So which security group, or like what all security you want to specify, inbound rule, outbound rule, right? So this particular security group I am going to use. So how we can get it? So let's go here, and if you go to here security groups section, right? So let's go here. If you go security groups, here we have multiple security group, and this is the security group ID. Which one you want, that security group ID you have to select. Okay, you have to copy that particular security group ID. Okay, and then you have to place here, and then subnet, which subnet you would like to launch your EC2 instance. So otherwise if you not specified these all, right, security groups or subnet, right, then it will take default on whatever default security group and default VPC is there, right? So that from there any default, from the default VPC default subnet will take. But in your like in which region you are going to launch the EC2 instance, suppose I am going to launch in Virginia region, right, and in this region if there is no default VPC, right, then it will throw an error. So in that case you have to strictly specify this subnet, otherwise it will throw an error, otherwise which subnet it will create, right? If default VPC is not available, then we have to specify this. Okay guys, this part just keep in mind. And how we can get it, so let me show you that security group ID. I hope it's clear, right? So subnet like ID how we can get, so let's go to the VPC here. So in the VPC I have one default VPC, and if you go to that what I can say subnets, right, here we have a multiple subnet which is default subnet, and any one you can choose and then you can place it here. Okay, so my this lambda function is almost done. So now let's try to run this lambda function, how we can run. So for that let's create one lambda function here. This same like a Python code you can run by standard application. For that what you need to do, you no need to specify this lambda method, handler method. Just you can create your own method, and that method just call this all these steps. Then and then you can just run Python and then file them. Then it will, you can run also. Okay guys. So let's go to that, and let's go to the lambda, and let's create one lambda function here. Suppose EC2 automation cloud. Okay, and then our platform, runtime platform, let's select is a Python. Okay, and here Python multiple version, so as per your need you can select that. Let's click on select. So our lambda function creation in progress. Meantime let's copy this code, and I will give this link to this video description, guys, which I refer that AWS document, right? So that you guys can refer this, and if you have any specific IP address you want to specify, those things also we can do. Okay, unable to report the developer. Check what is this. Let's reload this. So lambda function creation is done. Just replace this code, our code whatever we have created, and deploy. Okay, now it is successful. So let us run this manually. Just save it, and let me show you that our EC2 console, how many EC2 we are running currently. So we are running 0 EC2 instance here now. Okay, so let us go here and click on hit run. Oh, we are in that unauthorized person. Okay, okay, got it. Why it is unauthorized? Because this Python code I am running through Lambda, right? Lambda, what basically it is trying to do is like it is trying to like create the EC2 instance. What does it mean? Like Lambda trying to access the EC2 instance, right? Then whatever role is assigned to this Lambda function, that role should have access or should have the permission to EC2 instance, right? So let me show you that. So let's go to the configuration, and if you go here little bit down in this permission, I have like the resource. This is my role name, right? So this role name, let's go to here. Let us see here EC2 permission is there or not. So see here no EC2 permission. If you see right, expand right, no EC2 permission. That's the reason it is giving the unauthorized error, right? So let's attach that EC2. I am going to give full access. So as per in your scenario, like as per your requirement, you can give. Okay, let's give full access here for this demo. And now let's go to the code again. Let us trigger it again. Now it is created, right? Now it is successful. Now let's go to the EC2 dashboard. Just refresh here. Just wait for some time. It will come. Yeah, it is started here coming. So one instance is running now. Now whatever we have specified, right? So let me show you that security group I have specified here, Cloud Tech demo, right? So if you see here our security group also Cloud Tech demo only. So let's go here, EC2 and security groups. I've specified the security group ID, right? The security group name is Cloud Tech demo, right? I've specified ID, so there it is populating that name. So this is my security group ID. So now that is showing there Cloud Tech demo. And then what else? Let me show you that we have specified the key name Cloud Tech PIM. So if you go here, Cloud Tech PIM only we have specified. Now by using this key, we can connect this particular EC2 instance also. How we can do? Let me show you that also. Okay. So now it is running. So let's copy this IP address and let's go to the mobile extreme here. Let's edit this and just replace. By mobile extreme, how we can connect the EC2 instance, that what I have already demonstrated in my previous session. So I will request you guys, please have a look that also. Okay. So now I am able to connect that EC2 instance, right? Sudo su, you see, right? So I am able to connect. So this is how we can launch our EC2 instance by using this Boto3 API, right? But now next question is like if you want to launch your own website or static website by this automation, then how we can do, right? So that part we can do by using our like user data part, right? We can specify our website details, then it will automatically create on behalf of you, right? So let me show you that how we can give that is user data. Basically user data, like let me show you here. We have one section like user data and it is a string it is expecting. So in this string we can specify our what I am going to launch, what I am going to execute in that user data, right? So let me show you that part also. So create EC2 with user data. What I am going to do here, I am installing that Apache server, and in that Apache server I am deploying one static web application, and then I am running that Apache server and I am enabling that. So, okay guys, so let me show you that also. Just copy this. The rest of the part all are same only, no change here. Okay, so let's go to here demo and let's come here and Now this time we are going to launch another EC2 instance, but this EC2 instance don't have that HTTP Apache server, right? So we cannot access actually. It will throw an error because here no server is running. If you see, go here, right? PS minus EF, okay, HTTPD, nothing is running, right? So we cannot run, okay. So now let's go here, and here also we are not able to. So now let's try this. Now it is done. Let's go to the EC2 dashboard, and one more EC2 instance should come here. Just wait for some time. This security group also we don't need here. Just for wait few seconds, it will come. EC2, till it is one. Succeeded right here. Yeah, it is succeeded. So it should come one more here. Now it is came to another EC2 instance, right? So now one is running, and this is the initialize. If you check this, right, we have specified whatever thing we have specified here in this user data section, right? All this thing it is there in this user data. Let me show you that. So it is user data, and here we have all these details, right? Now this particular EC2 instance, we are running this. What I can say, we are running this Apache server, right? So it is still in initializing. So if you hit here, now we can see our static web application, whatever we have launched here, right? See, welcome to Cloud Tech, welcome to EC2 User Data App Server from Cloud Tech. Please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss any video from our channel. Thank you, right? And handshake. So this is what I deployed on website, and this is what I have done or through automation. Okay guys, so this is how we can do, right? So like this we can do no error. And if you want to like whatever code we are running, since by Lambda I am running, right? So sometime when you guys are doing, right, there could be chance for the timeout issue also. For the timeout issue here, by default 3 seconds is there. If you feel, then you can increase this timeout. If you get the timeout issue, then just increase the timeout this time 5 minutes or something, okay. And if you face any permission issue, then just as I edited this role, so we can modify, then you will get. And still if you get any error or anything, right, then you can troubleshoot that error by in this CloudWatch. So this is our CloudWatch log. You can check this CloudWatch and you can see that CloudWatch log also. Okay guys, so how we can check the CloudWatch log, let me show you that also. CloudWatch, let's go to the CloudWatch, and if you go to the logs groups, right, so in this log groups we can see our logs, right. This is our latest run, and here we can check that. Okay, if any error is coming, then that error message will populated here. Okay guys, and then what we see, like let us see that another instance don't have HTTPDS, right? That's why we are not able to access in browser, right? Here no HTTP. So let's try to execute this new EC2 instance, and let me show you that it is running. So let's go here, copy this, and just update here. Static. See, it is running, right? Or if you want, you can check the status also as well. Like this is the status command, you can check. So let me show you that. It is running or not running, you can check that also. See, it is running, right? But other instance, we don't have any HTTP since we not specified any user data there, or we not install that Apache server, right? So this is how we can do automation. I hope this session will helpful to you guys, and if you feel this video is valuable, then I will request you guys, please share surrounding with your friend. That will really inspire to me, and that will really help to me. And if you have any doubt or any suggestion, then feel free put those doubt or question, whatever you have suggestion, in that video comment section. I will address that in my next subsequent video, or maybe whenever I will get time. Okay guys, see you in my next video. Chalo, bye.